Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Today we have this Master 315S MOSFET Intimax inverter welding machine, and the problem with this machine is once we connect to the supply, it O.C directly coming on. Let's see. I connected to the supply, and you will see O.C is directly on. What is the reason for this O.C coming, and how we can fix? I tell you. We checked. First we open and we check these MOSFET are okay, and cooling has no issue, sensor is okay also. So we just remove that connector and we see again. We connect to the supply. You can see we remove the connector and there is no O.C light coming. It means the problem in the bottom card, and last video I showed you the bottom card is a frequency transformer problem, but this time I checked, it is the diode. I show you by the meter. We set our multimeter to diode mode, and now we connect those pin. You can see it is showing us short circuited the diode. Even we reverse those lead and you will see it means the fault in these diode. Okay, because there is a 12 diode. In last videos I showed there were 3 diodes, and it was very easy to open and check because that's only 3. And I told you that I will tell you another method to check those diode very easily. In this case we need power supply for DC, and we remove that connector and also this to put the supply here, negative positive, and which diode will be faulty that will be a little heated than the others. Now I open this lead and open this diode also, and I show you. I take this 24 volt supply and I connect it to this negative at the positive end and the other positive at the negative end. Here we will see by temperature gun. Here you can see a 32, here is 30, here we check all. We have doubt with this one because this is a bit overheated. Now just we remove this and see if it is faulty or no. I removed that diode, but that wasn't faulty. So again I checked. Let's see. Again I connected supply directly there. So now we see again. Here you can see this is showing us now correct reading, because these are less, and once you touch this one it is little bit hot. So now I remove this diode and let's see. Now this is sure this is faulty one. I just remove this. I remove the diode, and here is that one. You will just see this is showing us the faulty, because one side is faulty, another side will be okay. So we just replace these diode and our machine will be fine. After I change these two, I show you, and now you can see also here it doesn't give us any reading for short circuit. Here we touch, you can see here we touch those lead, and yeah, it is showing. Okay, I just change and I show you how it works. This is D9202N diode. I change the both. Okay, and now I just show you after I reconnect the connector. Here I connect to the supply, and you can see output is here, and no OC light coming, because this is low voltage, because I connected to the series. Now I connect to directly, and you will see here it is working, and there is no OC light, and the output is here. Now our unit is okay. In this method you can save your time, and easily you can remove the diode and change without open full card. Next videos I'll show you another fault and their solutions. Thank you.